Hey guys, we're going to talk about the John Deere Z425 zero-turn mower. Had a problem and didn't want to start this year. The mower's about 2.5 years old. Went to get it out this year, and the battery was dead on it. All it would do was click a little bit. I tried to jump it. I even trickle charged it before I tried to jump it, and no luck. Still couldn't jump it even off of a vehicle. So wasn't really sure. Maybe the battery was just so far gone that I wasn't even able to do that. So I switched batteries out with another lawnmower I had, and thought for sure that it would work. Hopped on there to go mow, and it did not work. All it would do is click, just like it would like if it had a dead battery, and I knew that battery was good. So started looking at it, and for those of you not familiar with it, fuse box is right here. It's covered up by a little black box, so you take that off there. All my fuses were good. When I tried to start it, I could feel the relay. It felt like it was clicking. Took it apart, couldn't find any damage to it, and I was kind of stumped at that point. I took a booster cable and went straight from the red terminal here to the starter, which is on the other side of this dipstick here, down in here. You can't really see it in the video, but there's a red terminal down there, and I was able to get the engine to turn over when I do that. So I knew that my starter was probably pretty good, and it was something in the wiring. I wasn't really sure what. As a last-ditch effort, I did notice that when I switched the batteries out, that this red terminal had quite a bit of rust and corrosion on it. You'll see there that the bolt's all rusted. That may not be the original bolt, I don't know. So just as a last-ditch effort, I took that off, and I actually took a file to it and cleaned it up really well. And lo and behold, it started right up. So if your John Deere Z425 won't start, acts like it's got a dead battery, you may consider cleaning your terminals really well. That may be all it is. I wouldn't have thought that it was that corroded, but I guess it doesn't take much. So I hope this helps somebody. I know YouTube helps me a lot fix things that I don't really know much about, and good luck. Thank you.